Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the earbuds. Put both Elite 65T buds in the case and confirm the case has charge. This avoids interruptions during reset. Once done, clear existing Bluetooth pairings on your phone or laptop so the earbuds can enter a fresh pairing state. Make sure you have a USB cable handy in case you need to update firmware afterwards. You're starting the action now. Keeping power stable prevents partial resets and ensures the device can complete its internal restart sequence. You perform the core reset by pressing and holding the physical buttons on both earbuds while they remain in the open case. This forces the internal controller to clear settings. Hold for around 15 to 20 seconds until you see LED changes, often a flash or purple blink, because that visual confirms the factory reset command was received. After seeing the cycle, release the buttons, then close the case and pause for about 10 seconds to let the firmware finalize the reset process before attempting to pair again. You finish by repairing. Open the case, enable Bluetooth on your device, and choose Jabra Elite 65T from the list. Pairing should proceed normally because the buds are in a clean state. If pairing fails, restart your phone and repeat the reset sequence. Sometimes lingering Bluetooth caches block new connections. As a final troubleshooting tip, update firmware through the Jabra app or perform another full reset. If problems persist, contact support, since persistent hardware faults need professional diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.